Hey there, is your Samsung Galaxy A51's magnetic frame case not holding up as it should? Wondering how to fix magnetic frame case for Samsung Galaxy A51? I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk you through simple and effective strategies to get your device back in top shape. Whether it's a loose magnet or worn out edges, we have solutions that will ensure your magnetic frame case stays firmly in place. Step 1. Inspect the magnetic frame case. Begin by carefully examining your magnetic frame case for any visible issues. Look for scratches, dents, or areas where the magnet may have weakened or detached. If your case has collected dirt or debris, that might be disrupting the magnetic connection. Cleaning the surface can sometimes be all that's needed to restore its functionality. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or grime that might be present. Step 2. Replace weak magnets. If inspection reveals weak or detached magnets, it may be time to replace them. Purchase replacement magnets that match the size and type of the originals, ensuring they're strong enough to hold the case securely. Carefully remove the old magnets using tweezers or a small tool, and use a small amount of super adhesive glue to attach the new magnets securely. Allow the glue to dry completely, following the product instructions for drying time. Step 3. Correct misalignment issues. Misalignment can cause the magnetic case to not latch properly. Ensure that the magnets line up correctly on both sides of the frame. If misalignment persists, consider gently adjusting the frame components so they fit together more seamlessly. Using a small amount of heat from a hairdryer can soften the material momentarily, allowing for slight reshaping without causing damage. Step 4. Strengthen the structural frame. If the magnetic case shows signs of wear or has become too flexible, reinforce the structural areas. Use a firm, transparent adhesive tape on the inner edges of the case to provide support without adding bulk. Alternatively, a thin strip of sturdy plastic or material can be inserted into the interior of the case to ensure it retains its shape during use. Step 5. Consider a replacement case. Sometimes a case may be too far gone to fix reliably. If your magnetic frame case is significantly damaged or constantly failing, it might be wise to invest in a new one. Look for cases with high customer ratings and durable materials to ensure a longer lifespan for your Samsung Galaxy A51. And there you have it. Now you know how to fix magnetic frame case for Samsung Galaxy A51 with these easy steps. Whether you choose to clean, replace magnets, adjust alignment, or reinforce the frame, your case will once again provide the protection your device needs. Remember, regular maintenance and gentle handling can prolong the life of your phone case. If all else fails, a fresh start with a new, more durable case may be the best option. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.